we have an angle and two sides, and one of those sides is opposite the angle. So this is side-side angle that we have. This is what's called the ambiguous case. Okay, there are multiple different possibilities. We're going to start by just drawing out our possibilities here. So we have an angle. Okay, we don't know one of the sides, but we know that an angle here is 42 degrees, and adjacent to that angle is the 27, and opposite that angle is 30. Now I want to point out here that 30 is longer than 27, so a little bit longer than 27. The only way it's going to be able to connect is out here far to the right somewhere. Okay, and so we've got something like this, 30. There's only one possible solution here, so we're going to go ahead and find that solution using the law of sines. So let me go ahead and label here. We had our angle C and our side C and our side B. So this angle is B, and then the other angle and side are A. So using our law of sines, we're going to start by finding that angle B. So sine of B over side B, which is 27. Oh, that's not a 27. 27 is equal to sine of the angle C, 42 degrees, over side C, which is 30. Multiplying both sides by 27, we have sine of B equals 27 sine of 42 degrees over 30. And to solve for B, we use the inverse sine. Okay, sine inverse of 27 sine of 42 degrees over 30. Let's go ahead and plug this into our calculator. Sine inverse of 27 sine of 42 over 30. And I am in degree mode here because I'm working with degrees. And I get about 37. I'm just going to round to one decimal place, which is 37.0. So that's about 37 degrees. Now that I know that angle, I can get the angle C. And angle C is 180 minus the two angles that I know, 42 degrees minus that 37 degrees. So we've got 180 minus the 42 minus that angle that we just got. And again, rounding to one decimal place, that gives us about 101. So we've got all of our angles, and oh, I'm sorry, that's not angle C, that was angle A. That is my mistake. Angle C was given. Angle A, that was angle A that we just found. Okay, so now we have all of our angles and two of our sides. We just need to find our last side length A. So I'm going to use the law of sines again here. A over the sine of that angle A, 101, is equal to, I'm going to use the C here, C over sine of C. And so to solve for A, we multiply both sides by the sine of 101. So we get 30 sine of 101 over sine of 42. And let's go ahead and type that into our calculator here. So 30 sine of 101, which is actually that thing right there. I'll go ahead and use that exact form, divided by sine of 42. And we get our side length A is approximately 44. And that's our solution now. We've got all three sides and all three angles.